Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about the latest Accenture, Wipro and Cognizant updates. So the first update is from the Accenture, as Accenture is sending the mail for the technical and coding assessment, and this is the mail came from the team of Accenture. Hi, hope you are all set to take our cognitive and technical assessment followed by the coding assessment. Your assessment has been scheduled on Friday, that is on 23rd February 2024, starting at 9 am. Please make sure to log in the test within the 30 minutes of your test start time. If you are unable to log in within 30 minutes of your assessment start time, post this cutoff, you will not be permitted to participate in our assessment. The system requirement to attend the test is laptop desktop must be enabled with the webcam and microphone. Webcam should capture image clearly. Both webcam and microphone must be in switched on mode across all the assessment and interview stages of our process. RAM and processor is 4 GB RAM, i5, i3 generation 2 GHD and equivalent higher operating system Windows 8 or 10 only. Google Chrome browser version 80 up to 5-star version considered. SAP exam browser, that is SEB, the exam will be conducted on SIB, must be installed mandatory. If you have not installed the secure exam browser yet, please install it now from this link. Stable internet connectivity of 2 Mbps per second plus enable thorough broadband connection. Do avoid enable 3G 4G network. VPN proxies should be disabled. Assessment will be split into two stages, that is the stage 1 and stage 2. The cognitive and technical assessment is a mandatory assessment and will be an elimination round. Okay, every round in Cognizant is every round in Accenture is uh, elimination round. Okay, if you did not clear the one round, then you are not eligible for the second round. You must meet our selection and subsection cutoff to proceed ahead in our recruitment process. You will have 90 minutes to complete 90 questions. Once done, you will be notified about the result within 5 to 10 minutes. Assessment browser must be active until end of all the assessment. Stage 2 is up to clearing stage 1. You will be participate in the coding assessment, and these score will be considered for our final selection decision at journal level. You will be have 45 minutes to complete the two coding question. So this is the latest pattern of Accenture for the cognitive technical and coding assessment, and you have 90 minutes for the first round and 90 question will become, and the second round you have 45 minutes and two questions will come. The next update is from the Wipro, as Wipro is sending the onboarding update, and this is the mail came from the team of Wipro. Elite update regarding onboarding. Thanks for writing to us, as you have confirmed your interest through the survey sent in September 2023. We would like to update you that, and when we receive demand from the project, you will receive a communication survey regarding NGA, that is pre-skilling training. Based on your acceptance and confirmation through the survey, you will receive further communication on the NGA pre-skilling training. Candidate will be called in batches as per project demand for the pre-skilling training. You are requested to note pre-skilling training will be only initiated to the candidate who accept and confirm their interest through the survey. The successful completion of the training will be one of the criteria of your onboarding. As we are calling candidate in batches for the training program based on project demand, we will not be able to initiate. So this is an important update from the Wipro onboarding. The next update is from the Accenture, as Accenture is sending the mail for the virtual assessment slot. This is the mail came from the team of Accenture. Hi, we are pleasure to scheduling your virtual assessment as part of our packed app development associate hiring. Please click on this link for the available slot and choose one of as per your availability. Please choose your slot by 23rd February by 5 pm. Select your slot carefully, as you will not have an option to change it later. If you are facing any technical issue during the assessment or the interview round, please call on this number 6366937447 or use the chat box option given on the help page. The next update is from the Cognizant, as Cognizant is sending the document required for the interview mail, that is CIS of campus hiring. Dear candidate, greeting from the Cognizant. We are pleased to inform you that you have been shortlisted for an interview as part of Cloud Infrastructure and Security Services of campus hiring process. Kindly await with the patience, and for further communication on the interview slot, please note that Cognizant has zero tolerance toward any malpractice, inappropriate behavior, or unacceptable clothing during interview. So please ensure to kindly, carefully, and through the instructions provided below for a document required. So this is an important update from the Cognizant, Accenture, Wipro, and Accenture. So for more update like this, please do subscribe my YouTube channel, guys, for the latest update, latest interview experience. I will share all IT company update and interview experience in this channel. So please do